All right, guys, we're gonna do the first burn in. All right, so as you can tell, I did a fire lay. That's to help prevent that ground moisture from sucking out all the heat. Just did a small layer of sticks checkered over top of one another. Then I put a little layer of grass, and then I have a little tinder wick down there. First fire, again, this is not hardcore primitive camp. This is bushcraft. You know, bushcraft is a mixture of modern technology and primitive ways. So I'm doing a variety of different things. I have a variety of different stuff out here. So in here, I have some yellow birch bark. It's a little stringier. All right. And I have some river birch bark. Also have a piece of, that's chaga, true chaga. All right. So I'm gonna have that at the ready. I'm gonna be using my, I believe it's called a fire wick from Uberleben with a bellow. All right, I'm gonna fray that out real nice and good. And my ferro rod, this one's from Bigfoot Bushcraft. All right, let's see if we can get this wick going here. I need to fray it a little more. Getting a lot of times, guys, when these products don't work the way they're advertised, it is your fault, not the products. All right, here we go. Got her lit. Works pretty much like a match. I'll light my wick, close her off, get my tinder going, and put on my pile of sticks. One of the benefits of a new base camp is get tons of crap, dry, down firewood everywhere. Anytime wind blows, you know, you got something down around here. And it's good and dry. So where normally you'd have to put a good amount of smalls on to really get it going, in this case I can just go just about straight to the medium stuff. All right, once I get that bed of coals going, I'm gonna throw in a tin with 100% cotton t-shirt cut up in it. Gonna make me some char cloth. I poked a little hole in it. Make some char cloth for the next fire. I'm gonna go flint and steel. So I'm going to relax here for a little bit. Kind of been going since I got here, roughly 3 hours. So I'm gonna sit down and have a break and enjoy this campfire. So thanks for watching, and more videos on this camp to come. God bless.